Hi guys! Today is my friend's birthday, so I decided to make her favorite, French toast but with a twist. So I started out by chopping up my bread, putting that to the side, and in a large bowl combine eggs, milk, heavy cream, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and Foodstirs cake mix. I gave that a good stir, added in some sprinkles, and combined the two to make an amazing casserole. I added in some more sprinkles because there's never too many, and popped that in the fridge for about 24 hours. I then baked it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. I added in a lot of icing and headed over to my friend's house to surprise her. She has no idea I'm coming, so I am so excited to see her reaction. And this is me surprising her. I am so happy with the way it turned out, and she absolutely loved it. Happy birthday, Case!